the best passive income ideas to make extra income on the side in 2021. Hey guys, welcome back to another video gear on e-commerce know-how. Passive income can be a great way to help you generate extra cash flow, whether you're running a side hustle or just trying to get a little extra dough each month. Passive income is a great way to earn more during the good times and tide you over if you suddenly become unemployed or even if you voluntarily take time away from work. In this video, we look at the best passive income ideas you need to know to make extra cash in 2021. Stay tuned. Now, to know about sources of passive income, you first need to know what passive income is. A passive income includes regular earnings from a source other than an employer or contractor. The Internal Revenue Service, IRS, says passive income can come from two sources: rental property or a business in which one does not actively participate, such as being paid book royalties or stock dividends. So passive income is something you need to work for, although not as much. Passive income has a get-rich-quick appeal, but in the end, it still involves work. Let us now take a look at the best passive income ideas for you in 2021. Selling information products. One popular strategy for passive income is establishing an information product, such as an ebook or an audio or video course, then kicking back while cash rolls in from the sale of your product. Courses can be distributed and sold through sites such as Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera. Alternatively, you might consider a freemium model, building up a following with free content and then charging for more detailed information or for those who want to know more. For example, language teachers and stock picking advice may use this model. The free content acts as a demonstration of your expertise and may attract those looking to go to the next level. One drawback of this idea is that it takes massive amounts of effort to develop an information product. You may also need to be a popular influencer to charge for your product. Rental income. Investing in rental properties is an effective way to earn passive income, but it often requires more work than people expect. If you don't take the time to learn how to make it a profitable venture, you could lose your investment. You need to determine 3 things to earn passive income from rental properties: how much return you want on the investment, the property's total costs and expenses, the financial risks of owning the property. For example, if your goal is to earn $10,000 a year in rental cash flow, and the property has a monthly mortgage of $2,000 and costs another $300 a month for taxes and other expenses, you'd have to charge $3,133 in monthly rent to reach your goal. Dividend stocks. Shareholders in companies with dividend-yielding stocks receive a payment at regular intervals from the company. Companies pay cash dividends on a quarterly basis out of their profits, and all you need to do is own the stock. Dividends are paid per share of stock, so the more shares you own, the higher your payout. Of course, there are a lot of risks in holding stocks, but the rewards are even better than the risk. Peer-to-peer lending. A peer-to-peer, P2P, loan is a personal loan made between you and a borrower, facilitated through a third-party intermediary such as Prosper or Lending Club. Other players include Funding Circle, which targets businesses and has higher borrowing limits, and Payoff, which targets better credit risks. As a lender, you earn income via interest payments made on the loans. But because the loan is unsecured, you face the risk of default, meaning you could end up with nothing. To cut that risk, you need to do 2 things. Diversify your lending portfolio by investing small amounts over multiple loans. At Prosper.com and Lending Club, the minimum investment per loan is $25. Analyze historical data on the prospective borrowers to make informed picks. P2P lending is one of the riskiest ways to earn passive income because the risks of default are high. It also takes longer to master the metrics of P2P lending, which makes this method a lot more difficult. Create an app. Creating an app could be a way to make that upfront investment of time and then reap the reward over time. Your app might be a game or one that helps mobile users perform some hard-to-do function. Once your app is public, users download it and you can generate income. An app has huge upside if you can design something that catches the fancy of your audience. You'll have to consider how best to generate sales from your app. For example, you might run in-app ads or otherwise have users pay a nominal fee for downloading the app. If your app gains popularity or you receive feedback, you'll likely need to add incremental features to keep the app relevant and popular. The biggest risk here is probably that you use your time unprofitably. If you commit little or no money to the project, you have little financial downside here. However, it's a crowded market and truly successful apps must offer a compelling value or experience to users. You'll also want to make sure that if your app collects any data, that it's in compliance with privacy laws, which differ across the globe. The popularity of apps can be short-lived too, meaning your cash flow could dry up a lot faster than you expect. So these were among the most popular passive income ideas we had for you in this video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.